Anna, time for dinner.
Yay, I'm coming. So hungry.
Wait a second, Anna. Did you wash your hands?
No. But my hands look clean, Mommy.
They might look clean, but do you know tiny germs live on our hands?
Tiny germs? Where? I don't see them.
That's because they're so small, like teeny tiny invisible monsters.
Monsters? Are they scary?
A little. They love to stick to your hands when you touch things, like toys, the floor, or even your nose. And if we don't wash them away, they can jump onto your food.
They jump on my food?
Yes, and if you eat food with germs, they can make your tummy hurt.
Oh no. I don't want a tummy ache.
That's why we always wash our hands before eating. Water and soap are like superheroes. They chase the germs away.
I want to chase the germs away too. Can I use lots of bubbles?
Yes, of course. The more bubbles, the better. Let's go wash our hands together.
Yay! Bye-bye, germs.